Are you ready? I want to hear loudly. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and here I am again with my fifth vlog for you all. So my fifth vlog is full of adventure. We are facing pandemic, so we cannot travel this soon again, but yes, we can. I hope you watch this video and you can plan ahead your adventure after you watch this video, after post COVID, when the travel again starts. So yes, stay tuned. So I was working in adventure industry, and I'm into travel industry. So I was working in adventure industry for some time. So I was working on India's first and India's only bungee jumping company. They have highest permanent bridge in Rishikesh. So I was working there for a few months, and I wanted to share that how you can go for this adventure, and I also wanted to share you my adventure experience and my adventure story. And if you guys plan ahead to do this adventure, how you can go about it, what are the basic conditions for it, how you can how it is all about. So yes, let's begin. So the first question which arises out of one's mind before planning the adventure is it safe or not? So with my personal experience, with me working there for a few months, seeing hundreds of jumps every day, I have to tell you that it is 100% safe and you can go ahead with it. And you don't have to think about the safety. They have the safety of level very high. They keep everything in mind. They keep on changing the cords. Everything is well managed and well placed by the bungee leaders and the bungee people who are present there. They take care of everything very well, so you don't have to worry about the safety at all. The second thing is, people ask that do we have to go there, or do you have to book it? You can book it prior. Of course, you can book it prior. On weekends, the slot is usually full, so you make sure that you get your slot before you reach Rishikesh. And yes, so you can book online, you can book through a phone number they have given on their website. You can also go to their office in Rishikesh, which is on the Tapovan road, and you can go one day prior. Or if you just plan, like there's adrenaline rush in you and you just plan that you have to do it now, you can ask them if they have a slot. But usually it's so busy on weekends, so you should make sure you plan it in. Right now it's not working because of the COVID spread, but post COVID you can obviously plan it. So there are three activities there which you can do, which is bungee jumping, giant swing, and flying fox. But people are very curious about bungee jumping, but I would say that both of them are also very interesting and very adventurous activity in their own ways. So starting from bungee jumping, bungee, as you know, you're tied with a cord, you have to jump there. So when you go in the office, you get yourself booked. If you have your own vehicle, you can go to the so there is a village called Mohan Chatti where the actual platform is there, and they have this separate office there. So you go there, and you can, if you don't have your own vehicle, you can, they have their buses which go 3 times a day, and you can go through their buses by paying extra. And then you go inside and they brief you with everything, that what is it all about, what are the terms and conditions, and how you're going to do it. And then you pay, and then it's not necessary that you get your turn then, like you just go there and your turn is there. If there are slots, if you have to wait, there is a cafeteria there. I've also put the pictures for you. There's a cafeteria there, you can eat there, you can relax there, you can watch people jumping live there in the cafeteria, and then you can obviously go and jump there. So it has been one amazing adventure I think I've ever done. It's like facing your own fears, and it feels like you've conquered something. It is amazing, and you can see my jump, and so yes, it's amazing. I took a long time to jump, but I think I've seen hundreds and hundreds of people jumping. I think thousands of people jumping, and every time they come with a big smile, and it's amazing how it goes, and it's full of thrill. You can say to people कि हाँ यार मैंने बंजी किया हुआ है. It's so thrilling. So yes. So the second adventure activity you could do is the giant swing. People usually ask that what is the difference between giant swing and bungee. In both cases you have to jump. The giant swing, it moves like a pendulum, and it covers a lot of area. So it is as thrilling as bungee. You can do it with other. You can do it with somebody else also. There's a weight limit for it. You have to check the website for it, or you have to contact them, and you jump, and you have to go like a pendulum. It's very thrilling. It is nothing less than bungee jumping. I've tried it, and the video will play after this, and it's amazing, and it's as thrilling, and it also feels the same that you have conquered something. And it is not as popular as bungee is, but I think it's much thrilling than bungee. It's my personal opinion, but it is. So the third activity which you can do there is flying fox. So flying fox also you can do with two other people if the weight limit allows, and you can also do it with one person, and you can also do it alone, but you have to pay extra for it. So again, it goes in such a speed. I can't tell you that what feeling you get, and you just feel like, oh, I'll be gone, but it's not like that. And then it comes back very slowly, and the height is much more than the bungee platform also. So it's amazing how it goes, and I think you should definitely try it. People compare it with zip lining, but it's nothing compared to zip lining is nothing compared to flying fox. It is much more thrilling, it is much more adventurous, and I think you should definitely, people usually think no, bungee kar liya, that's done, but you should definitely try flying fox too. It's really, I mean, I don't have words when I think about my experience. I've done flying fox thrice, so I don't think I can ever get enough of it. If I go this time also to Rishikesh, or if I get opportunity to be there again to jumping ice, I'll definitely do it once again, even if I have to pay again. It's worth it. It's worth the every money. So yes, flying fox. activities which you can do in Rishikesh, jumping heights. You can also do it in Goa. Goa just has the bungee platform. The other two activities are also only in Rishikesh. I am in love with Rishikesh, and you can also do river rafting there. And there is one more adventure sport which started, I think, last year, which is also a reverse bungee, which is it's also very thrilling. I've heard from people that it is very adventurous. You get all your fears there, so it is also worth it, but I haven't tried it. Of course, there is river rafting. I have done river rafting also in Rishikesh, a lot of places, and Rishikesh river rafting is indeed best. Again, safety, yes, it is safe, but you have to make sure what they are telling you or what they are briefing you with, you have to follow it, because no casualty can be there in adventure. Also, while river rafting, there is a point where they take you and you can jump through the point, and you can jump into the river, and that's also very thrilling. I didn't do it because I'm very phobic about waters, but a lot of people do it with full safety, and I've seen it in front of my eyes, and it's totally worth it. So yes, Rishikesh is a place for adventure and religion and cafes and food and fun, but the adventure is really thrilling there because I've personally seen it and I've personally experienced it. So I thought this might be very helpful to all of you. So yes, this is it. I showed you my videos, I told you my experience, and I look forward to make more videos of this, and to more travels which I'll have post COVID, of course. So yes, I hope you get some motivation to do some adventures post COVID. And this video is not sponsored. This is my personal experience, and this is how I feel, how I experienced, and how I feel about the adventure I had. So no advertisement, nothing, totally my personal experience. Therefore, yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Please like, share, subscribe, and support your girl. And bye bye.